Videos like this are making thousands of money on TikTok. And if you want to get started with this AI, just check out the link in description to open your free account and test this tool. So this AI tool is called Creo AI. The first link in description will direct you to this page, and let me show you what this AI tool can do for you. At the end of the video, I'll link you to a tutorial where you will learn how to create videos using this AI tool. So first register using the link in the description so that you can access this page. So with this AI tool, you can generate all videos that you want to use on your TikTok or even your YouTube shorts. So the step-by-step process of creating videos using this Creo AI tool is simple. So what you need to do is to select a topic first that you want to talk about. Write it like this. Write your story. Select the tone of the story, and the maximum words is 3,500 for your first reel. After writing that, click generate script. The next step is to customize your script and the video. So here you will choose dimension, the voice and the text over the video. So after that, customizing your style, you finish and export the audio and start posting on TikTok consistently. And after posting on TikTok, you can partner with affiliate platform like Digistore24 or even TikTok affiliate shop. So if you want to get started, check out the link in description.